You wake up, check your phone, scroll for a bit, and somehow you already feel tired, not physically, mentally, like the day hasn't even started, but you're already behind. Assignments, pressure, comparison, expectations, and deep down, there's this quiet thought. Why does everything feel so heavy, even when nothing big has happened yet? Here's the truth no one tells you. Your happiness is not broken. Your brain is just, you're trained the wrong way. And the scariest part? Most people repeat the same habits every morning that silently make them more anxious, distracted, and unhappy. But today, we flip that. Because in the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 simple morning habits, backed by neuroscience, that can literally rewire your brain for happiness, not fake motivation, not temporary mood boosts, real, lasting change. Let's start. Section 1. Stop checking your phone. Let me tell you a quick story. A student wakes up, grabs his phone, sees notifications, messages, reels, news, comparison. Within 10 minutes, his brain is overloaded before he even gets out of bed. Sound familiar? Here's what's happening inside your brain. Every time you check your phone, you trigger a dopamine spike, but not the good kind. It's fast, cheap, addictive, and over time, it makes your brain crave constant stimulation, which means studying feels boring, real life feels slow, and happiness feels harder. Neuroscience. Insight: your brain in the morning is highly sensitive. Whatever you feed it first shapes your mood for the entire day. What to do instead? For the first 20 to 30 minutes, don't touch your phone, no social media, no notifications. Just sit with yourself. It will feel uncomfortable at first. That's a good sign. That means your brain is resetting. Now that your mind is not hijacked by the outside world, let's build your inner state. Section 2. Get sunlight plus move your body. Imagine this. 2 students. One wakes up, stays in bed, scrolls, feels lazy. The other steps outside, feels sunlight on his face, takes a short walk, stretches, same day, completely different mood. Why? Because of something powerful. Serotonin plus dopamine regulation. Morning sunlight does something magical, boosts serotonin, your happiness chemical, sets your body clock, circadian rhythm, improves sleep at night, and when you add movement, even just 5 to 10 minutes, you activate dopamine naturally, not from a screen, but from real life. Simple habit. Go outside for 5 to 10 minutes, walk, stretch, or just stand in sunlight. No phone. That's it. Small action. Massive impact. Your body is awake now, but your mind still needs direction. Section 3. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Let's be honest. Your brain is biased. It naturally focuses on problems. What's missing? What's wrong? What others have that you don't. That's not your fault. That's evolution. But here's the problem. If you don't train your brain, it will automatically drift toward negativity. Neuroscience insight: gratitude strengthens neural pathways linked to positive thinking. Basically, the more you focus on good things, the easier it becomes to feel good. Simple habit. Every morning write 3 things you're grateful for. Not big things, small ones. A good meal, a supportive friend, a quiet morning. At first it feels forced, but over time, your brain starts noticing good things automatically. That's when happiness becomes natural. Emotional line: you're not unhappy because your life is bad. You're unhappy because your brain forgot how to notice what's good. Now let's fix something that destroys motivation every single day. Section 4. Do one hard thing. Here's a pattern. You wake up, delay your work, procrastinate, tell yourself, I'll start later. But later never comes. And at night, you feel guilty, stressed, behind. That cycle kills happiness, but there's a simple fix. Neuroscience insight: completing a difficult task early releases dopamine and builds momentum. It tells your brain, I'm in control. Simple habit: pick one hard task. Study for 30 minutes, revise 1 chapter, solve 10 problems. Do it first, before distractions, before comfort, and something crazy happens. The rest of your day feels lighter because the hardest part is already done. Now that you've built momentum, let's protect your energy. Section 5. Avoid negative inputs. Think about this. If you start your day with negative news, toxic content, comparison on social media, what do you expect your mind to feel like? Calm, focused, happy? Of course not. Neuroscience. Insight: your brain mirrors what it consumes. Negative input increases stress hormones like cortisol. Simple habit: curate your morning input. No news, no toxic reels, no comparison. Instead, listen to something uplifting, watch something educational, or just enjoy silence. Protect your mind like it matters, because it does. Now let's add something powerful, something most students ignore. Section 6. Visualize your ideal day. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine your day going perfectly. You wake up focused. You study with clarity. You stay calm under pressure. You feel confident. That's not fantasy. That's training. Neuroscience insight. Visualization activates the same brain regions as real action. It prepares your mind for success. Simple habit: spend 2 minutes imagining how you want to feel, what you want to achieve, how you'll handle challenges. See it clearly, feel it, because your brain doesn't fully know the difference between imagination and reality, and when the moment comes, you act with more confidence. One last habit, and this one ties everything together. Section 7. Set a simple intention for the day. Most people start their day randomly. No direction, no clarity, just reacting. But happy people, they choose how they want to show up. Neuroscience insight. Setting intentions activates the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and focus. Simple habit. Ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to be today? Then choose one word: focused, calm, disciplined, positive, and carry it throughout your day. Whenever you feel lost, come back to it. It becomes your anchor. Final message. Look, happiness is not something you find one day. It's something you build quietly, daily, through small habits. You don't need a perfect life. You need a trained mind. And these 7 habits, they're not complicated, but they are powerful. If you follow them consistently, you won't just feel better, you'll become stronger, clearer, more in control. Start tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Just pick 2 habits, do them, then build from there. Because your future self is watching what you do today. And trust me, he's counting on you. If this helped you even a little, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Let's grow together, one morning at a time.